just might as well film it. Oh my god. We're having like hurricane force winds here. I should have filmed it, but the wind was so powerful it knocked over that. Comes the rain. Oh my gosh. It's like icy cold. Oh, it's hailstones. Oh my. I'll say like. Who's that? Oh my gosh. Hang on. Stay there. I'm gonna get my boots on. Let's bring all this stuff in because that's not going to be flying. I've literally just got my coat and everything on because it's so bloody cold. Oh no, I can see the rain over there. Right, hang on. I mean, I don't know how much you guys know about these recycling. Oh my god, oh hang on. Did Mo's window get hit? Oh no, it didn't. Right, those things weigh a bloody ton. I mean, I've tried moving them throughout my time of living here. And you can't. That thing got thrown over like it was something of Playmobil. It got thrown over like it was a toy. Shit, man, this is... Yeah, there's a plane just going to Heathrow right now. It's obviously just done a go around. That'd be nice. Oh, gosh, it's like icy cold though. I mean, oh, let's just bring in everything right now. Oh, our table would have gone. You can hear that. That's a Boeing 777-300ER. That is. I'm not sure who. It's probably Egypt Air actually. Whoever it is probably doing go around. That's it. Just over. So I'm guessing this is what's been going. This is sort of like the storm that's going on up in Scotland. I can't see what plane it is. I don't see what airline it is because it's too far out. Oh, jeez, I can see in the front. I was about to do a wash in the Miele as well, and I just saw like pitch black clouds, and like from that area down there, there was just pitch black. That's when I headed into the city now. Hang on. Open the window. Watch a gust of wind blast through the house now. Like, all that over there was just pitch black. That's what we just had. All that. Any damage occurred out here? No, the car's alright here. That drain always overflows. There's soap coming out there, believe it or not. Well, that's because I think it's our... Oh. How's that construction stuff up there? Is that alright? Yeah. Jesus Christ, that's like the worst I've ever seen a storm hit. I mean, apologies for rambling on so much, but I mean, it's just, I was like stood out on the balcony because, well, the wind was picking up, and I thought, well, I better just go and bring some stuff in. Anyway, and I didn't think it would be that bad, and then suddenly it just like, it was like something out of, it was like America. this big gust of wind whipped the leaves into like a tornado, and then after that it was just chaos. And then that was it. I saw the fence go down, and well, we've got our neighbour Mo, he lives on the very end at number 41, and that fence must have come about less than 30 centimetres from my window. I know our windows are double glazed, but still. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. It'd be good to see if anyone else of you lot have been affected by this. Might get some more later, hopefully. Bye.